Welcome back to Busy Mommy Best Baby. General knowledge videos for class 8 to class 10. You get 5 seconds to answer the questions. All the best.
How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 6. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Patel, Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, 40 years. Answer is 35 years. Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state in India? Prime Minister, President, Governor, Chief Justice of India. Answer is Governor. How many seats are there in the Lok Sabha? 442, 543, 550, 560. Answer is 543. Who built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb. Answer is Shah Jahan. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Rani Lakshmibai, Razia Sultana, Noor Jahan, Ahilyabai Holkar. Answer is Razia Sultana. Which battle marked the beginning of British rule in India? Battle of Panipat, Battle of Plassey, Battle of Haldigati, Battle of Buxar. Answer is Battle of Plassey. Who was the first Governor General of India? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings, Lord Mountbatten. Answer is Warren Hastings. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the largest state in India by area? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Answer is Rajasthan. Which is the southmost point of India? Kanyakumari, Indira Point, Cape Comorin, Nicobar Islands. Answer is Indira Point. Which country shares the longest border with India? Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Nepal. Answer is Bangladesh. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Answer is Pacific Ocean, which is the second largest continent in the world. Africa, Asia, Europe, North America. Answer is Africa. What is the unit of electric current? Volt, ampere, watt, ohm. Answer is ampere. What is the main gas found in Earth's atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Answer is nitrogen. Who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Stephen Hawking. Answer is Albert Einstein. What is the chemical formula of water? CO2, H2O, O2, NaCl. Answer is H2O. What does DNA stand for? Deoxyribose nucleic acid, dextrose nucleic acid, double nucleic acid, diphosphate nucleic acid. Answer is deoxyribose nucleic acid. How many players are there in a standard basketball team? 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 5. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? Milkha Singh, P.T. Usha, Usain Bolt, Abhinav Bindra. Answer is Milkha Singh. Which sport is associated with the Davis Cup? Badminton, cricket, tennis, golf. Answer is tennis. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? Brazil, Germany, Argentina, Italy. Answer is Brazil. In which sport is the term Grand Slam used? Golf, tennis, badminton, chess. Answer is tennis. Who is the current president of India? Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, Narendra Modi, Draupadi Murmu, Shri Ram Nath Kovind. Answer is Draupadi Murmu. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath, Shri Bhima Khandu, Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar. Answer is Yogi Adityanath. What is the full form of NATO? North Atlantic Treaty Organization, National Army Training Organization, New Asian Trade Organization, North American Transport Organization. Answer is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? 26th January, 15th August, 2nd October, 5th September. Answer is 26th January. Which country recently landed a spacecraft on the far side of the moon? Japan, USA, India, China. Answer is China. What is the national bird of India? Peacock, parrot, eagle, sparrow. Answer is peacock. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And the answer is Jupiter. Who is the author of Panchatantra? Valmiki, Kalidasa, Vishnu Sharma, Tulsidas. Answer is Vishnu Sharma. What is the capital of Italy? Rome, Madrid, Berlin, Paris. Answer is Rome. What is the national currency of Japan? Yen, yuan, peso, rupee. Answer is yen. How many continents are there on Earth? 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 7. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, tiger, horse. Answer is cheetah. Which instrument is used to measure earthquakes? Barometer, thermometer, seismograph, hydrometer. Answer is seismograph. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming, Louis Pasteur, Isaac Newton, Marie Curie. Answer is Alexander Fleming. How many bones are there in the human body? 204, 206, 208, 210. Answer is 206. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Brihadrata, Bindusara. Answer is Brihadrata. The Battle of Plassey was fought between the British and which Indian ruler? Tipu Sultan, Siraj ud Dawla, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Answer is Siraj-ud-Dawla. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Rani Lakshmibai, Razia Sultana, Ahilya Bai Holkar, Chand Bibi. Answer is Razia Sultana. In which year did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 1917, 1918, 1919, 1920. Answer is 1919. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khorana, Mother Teresa. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the southmost point of India? Indira Point, Kanyakumari, Nicobar Islands, Dhanushkodi. Answer is Indira Point. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? 6, 8, 10, 12. Answer is 8. Which is the longest river in India? Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari. Answer is Ganga. What is the name of the deepest ocean trench in the world? Puerto Rico Trench, Mariana Trench, Tonga Trench, Sunda Trench. Answer is Mariana Trench. Which country has the most number of islands? Indonesia, Canada, Sweden, Philippines. Answer is Sweden. Thanks for watching. For more interesting and useful videos, subscribe and support.